Greetings, vendors and aspiring contractors. If you're ready to become a registered vendor contractor in the beautiful Bradford County, Florida, using the efficient Demand Star procurement portal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of becoming a vendor contractor in this welcoming county. Let's dive in. To begin, let's understand what the Demand Star procurement portal is. It's an online platform used by government agencies, including Bradford County, to connect with vendors for various procurement opportunities. Start your journey by accessing the official Bradford County website and navigating to the Demand Star procurement portal. You will automatically be redirected to Demand Star's website once you click the Bid Advertisements hyperlink. Then, log in your account using your new username and password. During the registration process, you'll likely be asked to specify your location or service area. Choose Bradford or enter the relevant geographical information. Next, search for commodity codes. What are commodity codes? Commodity codes are used to classify goods and services in government contracts. Click the Edit button to add your commodity codes. Clearly define the services you intend to offer as a vendor. Specificity is key, as this information will be used to match you with relevant opportunities from the commodity code list, and click Submit and your commodity codes are saved. Finally, in Section 3 of 4, you can choose your subscriptions. Depending on your preference, you can subscribe to all of Florida or parts of Florida, or to other counties and agencies. Depending on Demand Star's policies, you might need to provide payment information for registration fees or access to certain opportunities. Make sure you understand any associated costs. Provide your main contact information as well as company information to complete your profile. The certification section allows you to select any certification that your company holds. In the self-declaration section, declare yourself. Registration completed. Once your profile is set up, use the platform's search or filters to find opportunities specifically related to Bradford. These could include requests for proposals, RFPs, bids, and other contracting opportunities posted by local government agencies or organizations. When you find a relevant opportunity, follow the instructions provided to submit your bid or proposal. Be sure to adhere to any specific requirements outlined in the opportunity description and in the CR 225 resurfacing invitation to bid Bradford website. You've now learned how to register as a vendor contractor in Bradford County, Florida, using the Demand Star procurement portal. This platform can open doors to valuable procurement opportunities in this beautiful county. Best of luck on your journey as a registered vendor contractor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.